Meditation is something that's becoming really popular in today's world, but very few people have a good understanding of what it actually is. The first thing to really understand about meditation is that your intention for beginning the meditation practice, a lot of people quite often approach me and say, Dandapani, I lead an extremely chaotic life. Do you think if I started meditating in the morning for 3 or 5 minutes, will that help my life? And my answer to them is that meditation is not a sweet sauce you add to life to make it taste good. Meditation is not a solution to your chaotic life. If you want to meditate and actually make progress in meditation, the first thing you need to do is actually fix your lifestyle. You need to get your lifestyle in order. Then your lifestyle supports your meditation practice. Your meditation practice becomes stronger. Then the process reverses. Then your meditation practice supports your lifestyle and makes your lifestyle really strong. But it begins with your lifestyle first, not with meditation. Meditation is a practice of a prolonged state of concentration to bring forth new ideas, creativity, and deep spiritual experiences. To put it in simple words, meditation is really about working with the energy inside of you. So approach meditation in a step-by-step, systematic process and it has to be goal-orientated. And in meditation, you want to work on the same goal over and over and over again. Quite often people will say, today I'm going to sit down and meditate on love. Tomorrow I'm feeling a little stressed, so I'm going to meditate on being calm. The next day I'm going to meditate on patience. The day after that on tolerance. You'll never ever make progress. Do you go to the gym and work on your right bicep today and your left bicep tomorrow, and the day after that on your right leg, and the day after that on your left leg, and a month later come back to your right bicep? How long do you think you're right before your right bicep builds up? Probably never, right? The same way with meditation. If you're meditating on something different every day, you'll never make progress. You meditate on the same thing every single day, or at least 5 days a week, which is what I recommend, then you start to make progress. And you meditate on it till you actually attain it. Concentration is a necessary ingredient in meditation. If you cannot concentrate, you cannot meditate. So if you want to learn to meditate, you need to learn to concentrate first. And you need to learn to concentrate throughout the entire day. And this needs to be part of your routine. In order to be successful in meditation, you must develop unwavering focus. You must develop concentration. The best way to develop concentration is to integrate this practice into your everyday life. Make it a part of your life. How do you practice concentration? You practice concentration by doing one thing at a time. The mind cannot multitask. It switches so quickly from one thing to another, it gives you the sense that you're multitasking. So bring the practice of doing one thing at a time into your life. You find opportunities in your average day to practice concentration. It takes tremendous amount of self-acceptance. You have to accept you for who you are. Accepting you for who you are doesn't mean condoning these negative experiences that you have in your mind or negative behavioral traits. What it means is that you acknowledge they exist and you look at yourself as a work in progress. Meditation is almost like having a healthy diet. You eat a bowl of salad and it doesn't really make you feel so good, but if you eat healthy every week for a few months, you might start to feel different. And meditation is the same way as well. The rewards come much later on in the practice and not at the start. And it takes tremendous amount of love of yourself and saying, it's okay, this is who I am. Meditation is having a meeting with yourself. Meditation is about doing the same thing over and over and over again. And the deeper and deeper the more and more you repeat the practice, the deeper and deeper you actually get into it. Keep one thing in mind, proceed with confidence. Don't stop. Keep your willpower, keep focus, and keep going forward. And remember, the main reason for meditation is for you to become in tune with your higher nature. And the reason we want to do that is because life is meant to be lived joyously. It truly is. You have one life. Regardless of what your faith is, what your background is, whether you believe in reincarnation or one life or there's nothing that happens after life, you have one life as you are. And life is not short, but life is finite. It definitely is finite. I don't believe life is short, but I do believe life is finite. And the way to live a joyous life is to become in tune with the highest version of you, and meditation allows you to do that. Thank you very much, everyone.